Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme luxury and off-road dominance with the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome. A true powerhouse of design and engineering, this massive motorhome redefines what's possible in both comfort and capability. First, let's talk about the interior. Scania is globally recognized for its heavy-duty engineering and premium craftsmanship, and the 2026 double-decker motorhome takes that reputation to an entirely new level. Step inside and you're welcomed by a multi-level, ultra-spacious living environment designed for long-distance travel and full-time living. The main lounge features a large flat-screen entertainment system, a premium surround sound setup, and expansive panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with professional-grade appliances, including an induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, built-in coffee system, and generous storage. Upstairs, the master bedroom offers a luxury hotel-style sleeping area with a king-size bed, while the ensuite bathroom includes a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and ample space, bringing true residential comfort wherever the journey takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome commands attention like nothing else on the road. Its towering muscular design reflects its extreme off-road purpose, while the aerodynamic bodywork helps reduce drag despite its size. The exterior features a rugged, high-durability paint finish designed to withstand harsh environments, from deserts to snow-covered terrain. Massive off-road tires, reinforced bumpers, and a raised ride height give it unstoppable presence, while integrated LED lighting enhances visibility in all conditions. The motorhome includes a large deployable awning, external storage compartments, and a roof access system, making it perfectly suited for extended expeditions. Built on Scania's legendary 6x6 heavy-duty chassis, it offers exceptional strength, balance, and durability, ensuring confidence no matter where the road, or lack of one, leads. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome is in a class of its own. Power comes from a robust Scania turbocharged diesel engine engineered for heavy loads and extreme terrain, delivering immense torque and reliability. The advanced 6x6 all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction on sand, mud, snow, and rocky surfaces, while the heavy-duty adaptive suspension smooths out even the toughest trails. An intelligent automated transmission provides seamless gear changes, optimizing both power delivery and efficiency. Advanced driver assistance systems, including terrain management modes, hill descent control, and surround view cameras, make maneuvering this giant surprisingly manageable. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury expedition category, and its pricing reflects its extreme capabilities. With an estimated starting price of around $850,000, this is not a casual traveler. The price includes its bespoke interior, advanced engineering, and the legendary durability associated with the Scania name. Whether you're crossing continents or venturing far beyond paved roads, this Scania motorhome is designed to take you there in absolute confidence and style. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.